Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
If you do not have an inspection pit for the car, you can replace it, made by your own hand in the garage or at your dacha, Trestle. To do this, you will need a couple of sleepers and a few thick boards or some scrap metal, a welding machine and a bolt cutter. Of course, the pit in the garage is more convenient, but for various reasons not every garage can be equipped with it. Interfere can be the proximity of underground utilities or groundwater, and then, if you want to repair your personal car, the solution for you will be a constructed trestle with your own hands. Types of trestles. Depending on the size, overpasses for cars are of two types: for access to one bridge of the car, for entry of the whole car. The first category of mini-stage is usually collapsible and requires a small amount of material to make it with your own hands. It is mobile, but not as convenient for repairing the car with your own hands as a full-size one. The inconvenience of the mini-stage is that due to its small height, the realization of repairing the car with your own hands with its help is not possible in full height. Devices that give access to the front and rear of the car at the same time. There are two types, installed on a level place. Entry to their repair site is at best at an angle of about 30 degrees to the horizontal. Located on a slope. Entry to them occurs without going up horizontally. How to make a mini-stage. Wishing to make a mini-stage for auto repair with their own hands, we present the simplest design, for the repetition of which do not need drawings. To work under a car on such a trestle, be sure to have a piece of thick felt or at least an old cotton blanket. Don't leave your health on a concrete floor. To those who will say that the car can be lifted to such a height with a jack, I will argue that if you put thick bars under it, not every jack can lift so much, and secondly, it is much safer than on a jack. Full-size construction. For those who do not want to suffer inconvenience when repairing their car, we suggest making a full-size version with your own hands. It will be more convenient for you to drive on it, if you build it on a slope. Yes, and the boards will take less. So it makes sense to look for a place for it on a slope. Of course, the trestle is better to make of metal. It is stronger, does not absorb oil and rusts not as quickly as wood rots. But if you have wood in stock, then the choice of material is obvious, not to buy rolled steel. Features of a wooden structure. Features of a wooden structure, instead of a pipe as supports, two sections of a bar with a cross-section of at least 15 by 15 centimeters are used. The parts of the supports buried in the ground should be impregnated with creosote or at least with waste oil for durability. Each ladder should be assembled from two 5 centimeters thick boards. One of them with a width of 10 to 15 centimeters should be placed on a rib. The other one with a width of about 40 centimeters put flat on top and nailed to the first one with nails on the 100 or screwed with screws. In conclusion, creating a trestle with your own hands from improvised materials is not only a rewarding project but also a testament to your creativity and resourcefulness. By utilizing items you already have, you can craft a functional and sturdy piece that meets your needs. Remember, the key is to plan carefully, measure accurately, and enjoy the process. We hope this video has inspired you to take on your own DIY project and explore the endless possibilities that come with working with what you have. Thank you for watching, and happy building!